Alright, so here's a set of 2013 to 2016 Ford Fusion headlights. They are the Mustang style. They're aftermarket. So what's been done here is we swapped out the aftermarket boards that come with these in these DRL Gills. They used to be a white parking light function with a sequential amber turn signal, and they've been swapped out to the Diode Dynamics RGBWA boards, which now function with full color as well as retaining the white parking light as well as DRL daytime running light functionality with the sequential amber as well. You have two halos that function as the parking lights with an added amber DRL, or sorry, amber LED in the clear side marker. So we'll demo here all the functions. There's also been dual demonized added in here, which can be paired up in sync or separate with the Gills. So looking at that, let's see what we have. We can start by turning on the demonize. We'll do that with the device here. So there's our pure white, different colors. All right, so let's run that with white, I mean red. Now if we turn on the parking lights, that also triggers the DRL and Gills, which theoretically would already be running when the car is running anyway. There's the amber side reflector. Now we can now also, if you wanted to, turn off the Gills if you'd like. So we'll just go into the controller here, turn them off. So there you have parking lights still on with just the halos and the amber side marker. Now what we can do is let's trigger the turn signal. All right, let's turn off the parking lights. Let's trigger, if we just started the car, for the daytime running lights. The Gills will also always return back to the last color that you left it. So if we want to run them or set them theoretically to white, which would be the legal color here, you know, when you turn the car off and you turn the car back on, they're always going to return to the fade on to the factory last set color that you had. You can also trigger the turn signal again. Switchback functionality. And then if we want to go back to the parking lights, and then maybe we want to do the low beam. The only reason you're seeing those other lights go off is because my power supply can't take the current consumption. We want to do the low beam. Also trigger the high beam. See if the power supply can take this. Here is the LED low beam. Here is the dedicated high beam. And then here would be the high beam, both the dedicated and the LED projector dropping.